Kaunti ma Migori ka otenore kod riwruok mar thieth e piny mangima WHO kod mano mar jiwo pur FAO geto jopur mag ndawa maromo 1,000 e kampen mar tieko pur mar ndawa e kaunti ma Migori ma otisi kaka Free Tobacco Farms. E bwo chenro mane ochakore higa mokalo kendo sani nitiere e tielo mar ariyo, jopur mag ndawa imiyo kothe mag oganda ma ong'ere kaka iron beans mondo giwere kod pur mar ndawa. Ka owuoyo e romo ma bende nokalo kata mane okelo kamoro achiel migepe ma opogore mag kaunti ma Migori kod jokanyo mag riwruok mar WHO kaachiel kod FAO, jalup gavana mar kaunti ma Migori Joseph Mairi ojiwo oganda e kaunti ma Migori mondo mi owere kod pur mar ndawa kendo gipidh oganda.
High iron beans, the nyota beans that has been piloted in 4 wards. In the first round, they produced the beans. All the produce were bought by the World Food Program. And even the second season, all the beans were bought with within our institutions. In fact, the World Food Program, they had also found another stakeholder to buy the beans, but they didn't have enough.
There are so many illnesses associated with the tobacco growing. So many, including cancers, including the green leaf tobacco sickness, where we handle the tobacco leaves without any the protective gears. Our children work on the tobacco farms. They miss going to schools because tobacco farming is very, very labor intensive.
We have other crops, in fact other cash crops that have already been rolled down to ensure that you are stable financially, you have food in the house, and we are going to ensure as a government that is done.